Hello everyone, this is Shaw again with another video. This video is mainly me needing help with this Milwaukee M18 radio and charger kit. Has a few modes or a few things you can do on this. You can play the radio, you can hook up your phone to the Bluetooth and play music from your phone to this unit, or you can do an auxiliary and charge your phone with a USB here. But it's been 2 days that the unit is not coming on. I don't know what's wrong with it. I have not opened it yet unless I get help from the viewers if there's an easy fix on this unit. Let me know in the comment and I'll check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.